are screenshots of Hotels.viajes, my website, that was taken over by Expedia every single time I launched the site. And I have 94 of these, and I'm just going to go through. And this one is a Travelocity bundle that was injected into Hotels.viajes. This is Traveltainment, and it came in with a Travelocity travel asset toolkit, but there's other things in here that are important as well. This is Intent Media and their travel asset toolkits, and Intent Media is injecting social media for Expedia. This is Traveltainment, powered by GPS, Karma Lab. These are Expedia divisions that are inside of my website. And notice Hotels.com is being injected into these travel assets. This data kit is travel assets, but notice Hotels.com, and it was done April 17th. I guess I was onto them a little earlier than I thought, mid-May. But they stopped putting Hotels.com and Expedia, and they started encrypting it when I started complaining to Expedia. So there's Traveltainment, which is now a division of Amadeus, and I believe that Traveltainment will lead you to the money here. Expedia injects, completely overtakes my website, Hotels.viajes. Expedia. This is a great screenshot. Here you have A, B, and C travel assets with Intent Media here. And over here you have A, B, and C with Intent Media. And these are all injected in their travel asset toolkits. We're getting close to Intent Media script, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Here is, going back, you have that. I'm going to be able to show you a closer side-by-side image, but the flights, hotel packages with the travel assets. This is syncing up with this Intent Media section right here for Expedia. And more Intent Media, Expedia travel asset toolkits. Now, they weren't encrypting all of this in the beginning. That's how I had all these great screenshots. Here is your Intent Media logging guide, and that matches identically over here. Identically. Notice it's the same. Now, I enlarged this so you could see that there's a Twitter /intent, which is Intent Media, and you can see that they're just injecting Expedia's social media. Tags, TIQ, CDN. This is GoDaddy injecting the root certificates and all the content. I believe I lost it. Tags. And there is how Expedia is loading, I believe, the subdomains of my, right here is EU Assets. And that EU Assets has been discovered multiple times inside my websites. And that is a subdomain hack by Expedia. They're loading my domains up on their Amazon server. So there's Hotels.viajes, tags, seek. This is my website. There's Expedia's website. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. This is F821F. F821F. Ends in BBC. Ends in BBC. Same thing side by side. This toolkit right here was injected on June 27th, 2018 at 5:55. This one was June 27th, 2018 at 5:50. These are SVG photos that they attach an XML file to, and they can cross-site script with this. That's how they communicate. And there is the same file, this UITK icon SVG file is a UITK SVG file here. Travelocity, I never signed up for Travelocity. These are all injections in their toolkits. This is Hotels.viajes. There's Expedia. Same, identical. This is line 1937. 1937. It's identical. They did this line by line. And then we're going to go into Tillium later. Intent media. That's this guy right here. They're doing their social media. Intent media. Intent media. Expedia uses them for a lot. And right there is booking, or we're booking months, the calendar. God damn it. More social media, favicons. Here you can see this one's the same build date, but now we're looking at an Adobe Marketing Cloud. It's probably from Intent. Here you have TRVL pics. This is a photo that they have attached to JavaScript to, I believe. Just 6 minutes behind this injection here on June 6, 2018. Here's a checkout payment. Identical. June 5th, 2018. Identical. Absolutely identical. So I searched F821F, which is this script right here. And it was injected at 5:55, June 27th. There's that same script, June 27th, 5:50, about 5.5 minutes earlier. Travel asset injection. So there is the first 64. Now let's just look at these 29 real fast. You've seen that one. The Adobe Marketing Cloud. Powered by GPS. Karma Labs. Powered by GPS. It's identical. Here we have Traveltainment, booking flights, things to do. Completely have taken over my website. This is the Myers Media Group. They were working with Traveltainment. They work with all the big players. And obviously they're doing something with the checkout here. Adobe Marketing Cloud. These favicons have all the relays in them. This is redirect social media. Here you have identical Pinterest, prop sharing, Facebook. This is Twitter intent media right here. All of this, I believe, is intent. And they're injecting the social media into my websites. This is TRVLPX Expedia domain, and they're attaching Adobe Marketing Cloud. Look at it; it's got the same exact number. Hotels landing page, identical. 2796. 2796 is off a little bit, but it's identical. I don't know how they plan on getting away with it. Traveltainment. Traveltainment was doing a lot for Expedia. The injection date, 5 minutes apart almost. Myers Media Group. Myers Media Group. Obviously, they're doing something with the checkout. Karma Lab, Traveltainment, Adobe Marketing Cloud. The websites are identical. And Expedia took over my website every single time I launched it. They did it to all of them almost in their own certain way. But this attack took place over about a 2.5 month period, maybe 2 months, because I kept sending Bob Zelick these images, and they changed the way they hacked me to an XML RPC. And then when I got onto that, they started redirecting with the Apple Touch icons. Intent Media. Intent Media. Their social media. These right here are their SVG files. And they stick SVGs on their script. Here's one where they stick an SVG on that image. There's what it's called right there. They're both identical. This is your SVG, travel asset file. I had one for Expedia like that. I don't know where it is. But there you go. They're in everything, and Expedia has broken laws, in my opinion. I'm going to run through these real quick. These are extras. I've had a couple of them before, but here is Adobe Marketing Cloud, a Google Analytics, line by line, Google Analytics script. Here is a Google Ad Services script. Double click. It's line by line. The SVG file, I wish I would have taken more of those. These are SVGs, these UITKs, cross-origin scripts. Google Ad Services, a hotel's landing page with all of that flight script on there. Hotel search script. I don't know what that Nike is. Seen that one before. Expedia Traveltainment script. That number is identical to those. Facebook, Twitter. They're just stealing. It's illegal to do this. Prevention of commission. All the same. Line by line. I've seen these before. Checkout script. Look at that. It's line by line. Their officers should be in jail. I called them on this multiple times and they kept on doing it. And then when I caught them so bad, they changed to a different way.